Good morning. It's Monday, August 10th, day 273 of my 10,000 steps a day challenge to myself. It's just before 6 a.m., 64 degrees. Let's go get my pre-work morning walk in. The waterfall's gone down quite a bit, even though we got rain over the weekend. It was very hot and humid all weekend, so it's nice that the humidity's down. And it's nice and cool this morning. Feels great. Let's get these steps in. In one of my trails on my pre-work morning walk. So happy the humidity is down. It was a brutal weekend with the humidity. It's crazy how much daylight we've lost in the morning. Leaving my house at 5 a.m. it's pitch dark until about 5:30 when I used to leave my house in daylight. We're rapidly losing daylight. Let's get these pre-work morning walk in and head into the office to start the work week. Day 273 after work. I'm back home in Milford. I'm in Morningside. As you see, it's very cloudy. We're supposed to get severe thunderstorms around 6:30. It's like freaking Groundhog Day, literally every day. So annoying, but it was a gorgeous day. My lunchtime walk with my coworker was literally perfect. Blue skies, very low humidity. But we're gonna get these after work steps in and hopefully beat the storm, because I don't want to be out in lightning and possibly hail, they said. So let's get these done. Now down at Point Beach. It's much darker over there. I could swear I could hear rumbling of thunder. As soon as I'm done with Point Beach, I'm gonna go home and hopefully beat this storm. Let's keep going. Day 273 is complete. It's starting to rain. I beat the lightning though. 27,451. See you all tomorrow. Bye.